So in this session, we will see how to find the neighboring device which are connected to the ACI devices. I have opened the script to get the CDP neighbor detail in the fabric. So I have opened the script and let me run the script. And I'll get the output. So in this way you will get the output of the CDP command. So it will show you the details like node ID, interface, neighbor device, neighbor platform and neighbor interface. So here we are unable to see these details because we are using the lab setup and no neighbors are connected to the leaf switches. Now we will check running the show LLDP script. So this script is also available on the GitHub and you can use it to get the neighbors connected to the ACI nodes. So I'm running the script to get the connected neighbors like the one which we have previously run for CDP. Here I am getting the output of the LLDP neighbor. So it will give me the details like node ID, local interface, IP, name, chassis ID, neighbor platform and neighbor interface.